Good morning. Today is Thursday, June 7th, 2012. The ECB meet concluded yesterday with interest rates leaving unchanged and the ECB chairman making statements that it's up to the governments in Europe now to come up with fresh measures to boost up the economy rather than the banks providing fresh funding or LTROs or fresh stimulus as of now. Another event to be watched is the testimonial by Bernanke today in the US Congress. Both markets are waiting with bated breath on the outcome of any of these, as also the FOMC meet, which is likely it is coming up on June 19th to 20th in the US. Markets are expecting already some kind of a fresh measures or stimulus to be announced by the Fed and hence boosted up the markets yesterday. Now I give a commentary of the markets as a stand as of now. Gold is now trading at $1620. Yesterday afternoon it hit the high of $1640, which is the first level that we had given yesterday morning in our commentary. Support is now at $1610 and $1600 and resistance at $1640 to $48. It closed yesterday at around 30,050. It hit high of 30,295, but it could not sustain above those levels. On the MCX, strong support now is seen at 30,000 and 29,950 for now and resistance at 30,200. Buy on dips is advised as of now and wait for fresh entries. Silver is now trading at $29.28. It hit a high of $29.90 yesterday. Resistance is now seen at $29.9 to $30 and support at $28.7. In the MCX exchange, expected to open at around the 55,600 to 700 levels. Yesterday it hit a high of 56,350. Resistance is now seen again at the 56,000 levels. Buy on dips is advised. Support is now at 55,700 to 55,500. Wait for fresh entries again in silver, depending on how the INR opens up during the course of the morning. Crude is now trading at 85.65. It hit a high of 47.75 yesterday, closed at 47.12. Strong support now is at 46.80 levels. Expected to open on the MCX exchange marginally higher at around the 47.25 to 47.30. Resistances are at 47.60 and 47.90 levels. Next breakout is a close above 4800 and downside supports at 46.80 and 46.50 levels. Of course, watch out for INR for tracking the movements in crude. Copper yesterday peaked to a high of 412.95 to 413.10. Then it came down sharply as soon as the US markets opened to below 410 and closed at 411.90. Again, it's expected to trade in the range of 408 to 413. A close above 413 will signal the next move, whereas downside supports are at 408 and 406. Nickel yesterday hit a high of 909 and closed at around 895. It hit a low of 888. Support is at 880 and resistance at 910 to 915. Wait for fresh entry. Zinc, lead and aluminium trading sideways and moving along with the trends in copper, but overall all three looks to be on the buy side for the time being with buying at supports. Natural gas is expected to move in the range of 133 to 138 for now. Inventories are expected today, so it's preferred and advisable to wait for the inventories before making any next trades in natural gas. Overall, the market seems to be buoyed. Even the equity markets is buoyed on expectation of fresh stimulus from the US markets. Wait for fresh entries and trades in our website at www.akshayashiv.com. Thanks a lot. Have a good trading day.